Assalamu alaikum friends. This is Rashid, and in this tutorial I will tell you that how you can insert the bullet points in MS Word 2013. So for example, now you can see here is some data and I want to add bullet points from like you can see, this is my point number 1, this is my point number 2, this is my point number 3, this is my point number 4, this is my point number 5, and I want to insert bullet points and I want to show that data in the form of bullet points. So it will be according to your requirement. For example, according to my perception, I like to put dots at the beginning as my bullets. So it will be you will use the different bullets for your document as per your requirement, as per your perception, as per your like. So you just need to select your data for whom you want to show that data in a bullet point. I will just go to, this is the area from your, you can put bullet points. So this is the first one. From here, this is the first. These are the different types. From here you can none, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 Roman, ABC, small ABC, ABC 1 2 3, and that is like these are the different bullet points, right? And you can define new bullet points as well, symbol, picture, font, left or right. So I will just, you can put this as well, I can put this as well. Okay, you can change the level. Okay, level as well, the bullet points. I think this is the best level. Okay, this is the default level, and you can select the level as well. You can define the bullets as well, like if you want to define, you can insert a picture as well. You can customize according to your requirement, according to your desire. So this is the way by which you can play with the bullet point. And this is all for this tutorial, and inshallah see you in the next one. Thank you.